In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively schedule a meeting using Microsoft Teams. As many of you know, Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration tool that allows teams to communicate seamlessly whether they are in the same office or spread across different locations. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone just getting started, scheduling meetings on Microsoft Teams is a crucial skill that can enhance your productivity. First, let's navigate to Microsoft Teams. If you have the app downloaded, you can open it directly from your desktop. For those using the web version, just type in the web address and log in with your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface of Microsoft Teams, where you can access various features like chat, meetings, files, and calendar. Now let's focus on scheduling a meeting. On the sidebar of Teams, you'll see an icon labeled Meet. Click on that to get started. This section allows you to view upcoming meetings and schedule new ones. What you're looking for is the Schedule a Meeting option. Clicking this button will open a new window where you can set up the details for your meeting. This is where you can tailor the event to fit your needs, ensuring everyone involved is on the same page. Once you're in the scheduling window, the first thing you'll want to do is assign a title to your meeting. The title should be clear and concise, as this will help participants understand the subject matter at a glance. It's best to keep it relevant to the meeting's agenda. Below the title, there are fields where you need to input the main participants' information. Enter their email addresses to invite them. They will receive notifications about the meeting, making it easy for them to remember the date and time. Speaking of dates and times, you need to fill in the details of when the meeting is set to happen. Choose a time that works for all participants. Microsoft Teams makes this easier by showing the availability of each participant on a calendar, allowing you to select a time when everyone is free. Don't forget to mention the location if the meeting includes face-to-face engagement. Otherwise, leave it blank for virtual meetings. Finally, there's a section for additional details. Here, you can add any relevant information, documents, or links that participants might need beforehand. This could include a meeting agenda, reference material, or even a video link. Be as detailed as possible to ensure everyone comes prepared. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, you simply confirm by clicking the Done button. Your meeting is now scheduled. Microsoft Teams will handle the rest, sending out notifications and reminders to ensure everyone turns up ready to contribute. Meeting scheduled, and that is how you schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward process, but paying attention to the details will ensure your meeting runs smoothly and efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in using Microsoft Teams to organize your meetings. Happy scheduling!